Hello! This video will be an overview of both the Action Research Plan on the impact of a collaboration PLC and the accompanying website on the research plan. The website, just like the research, has been broken down into the following parts: purpose, literature review, research plan and data, dissemination plan, conclusion, and works cited. The purpose section gives the background, problem statement, and research questions for this project. The idea for this research grew out of an interview with a middle school media specialist. During this interview, the librarian noted teachers feel very pressured to get certain curriculum done and think anything beyond that they do not have time for. Quote, "There has never been a year when something has been taken off their plates. There's always more added. They're just trying to do their best. My only frustration is I feel I can ease some of the burden, but that message is not getting through." Unquote. In order to help get that message through, this particular action research seeks to create a PLC focused on collaboration that includes the library media specialist and the 8th grade ELA team. This group of teachers was selected because they already plan the most with the LMS and therefore seem the most open to learning more. There are 3 specific questions being researched. What skills do 8th grade ELA teachers and the media specialists need to develop in order to collaborate effectively? 2. What are the significant barriers to collaboration between the 8th grade teachers and the LMS? And 3. How effective is a PLC focused on teacher-librarian collaboration and improving the number of collaboratively delivered 8th grade ELA lessons? This idea of using a PLC to deliver professional development came out of the literature review. These articles noted that the best way to have teachers learn collaboration is through professional development. Given that one of the barriers to collaboration already identified is time, using a PLC format guarantees that such professional development is built into the school day. The Action Research Plan created to explore these research questions includes various steps, such as administration of a survey on the barriers to collaboration, formation of the actual PLC, engagement in the actual PLC, and data collection. Speaking of data, data will be collected in various forms. For example, there will be surveys of 8th grade ELA staff. There will be archival data, including ELA and LLMS planning calendars. And there will be reflective journals and logs of PLC members. These various forms of data will guarantee the reliability and validity of any data collected. Several of the data collection tools will be based on the 3 C's chart, which focuses on the continuum of collaboration. It clearly defines the 3 areas that lead up to collaboration: cooperation, coordination, and full-fledged collaboration. The website includes a sample data collection tool, a teacher school librarian PLC pre-survey for those who are interested, that can be accessed through this button. Once data has been collected, a dissemination plan has been created to get the results out to stakeholders. This infographic outlines the dissemination plan and can be accessed right here through the website or vis-a-vis this button at the bottom. Essentially, there are 3 groups of stakeholders that the dissemination plan seeks to reach: fellow school staff members, administrators, and media colleagues at central office and other schools. This website and this infographic will be made available to all of them. In conclusion, This action research plan has one simple goal: increase collaboration. While school librarians are explicitly trained on collaboration, teachers are not. A shocking fact given that research shows collaborative planning improves student achievement. 3 targets have been identified for this research. 8th grade ELA teachers develop skills in collaboration. The number of long and short-term projects where the LMS and 8th grade ELA teachers collaborate increases. The LMS and 8th grade ELA teams share out with staff how the PLC improved their ability to collaborate. While this project focuses on the 8th grade ELA team, hopefully other content and grade level teams will eventually reap the benefits of this research.